Hello everyone! Today I'd like to talk about just how far blockchain technology has come. You'll find out what happens when you combine the Bitcoin and Ethereum networks into a single ecosystem, learn how fully secure trading is possible, and understand why decentralization is the best solution for the financial industry. We'll explore all of this using the Gneiss platform as an example. It's the world's first decentralized P2P marketplace where all transactions are fully transparent and unrestricted. When I say unrestricted, I mean there are no middlemen involved in your trades. You can trade any tokens with anyone, without limitations from the platform or third parties. To build something this open, the Gneiss team spent over 8 years researching blockchain and smart contracts. Thanks to this, they managed to launch a truly worthy product that lives up to the principles of decentralization. Gneiss runs on two networks at once, Ethereum and Bitcoin. This dual network approach solves two key issues at the same time: access to crypto trading and the ease of deploying new smart contracts. To merge these networks, Gneiss even developed its own protocol called Taro. It runs on Bitcoin but includes essential features borrowed from Ethereum. This combination significantly expands the platform's capabilities. Thanks to Ethereum's advantages, users can easily create their own tokens and integrate existing coins into Gneiss markets. And by the way, all of this can be done for free on the platform. So if you launch your own token, you'll keep 100% of its supply. On top of that, the Gneiss team took security very seriously. First, they made the platform peer-to-peer, so all trading happens directly between users, no intermediaries involved. Second, there's a reputation system. When you create a wallet on Gneiss, you earn eVault rating points based on how often you trade and how active you are on the platform. This way, it's easy to evaluate other users and sort them by trustworthiness based on their rating and activity levels. With all these features, it's already safe to say that Gneiss is a truly transparent platform that offers its users real freedom, unlike many others in the space. Still, I've only covered a portion of what Gneiss offers. You can learn more by checking out the official website. Links are in the description below. Once you're on the site, you'll find detailed information about Gneiss's advantages and the tools and features already available. If you scroll down a bit, you'll also see that the team is building more than just a P2P marketplace. They're developing an entire DeFi universe with additional useful products. For example, the platform will soon have its own social network, email service, cloud storage, and much more. So I recommend keeping an eye on Gneiss so you don't miss any new releases. Now, let's take a look at Gneiss's main product. First, we need to register on the platform. To do that, click the Register button. In the registration panel, you'll need to enter your details: username, full name, country, and date of birth. You'll also need to create a password and provide an email where you'll receive a confirmation link. Once you've completed registration and logged into the platform, you can start exploring its products in more detail. The first one is your wallet, where you can track your balance and top it up with BTC or Ethereum. The next section worth checking out is called Network. This is a chat panel that functions like a forum where Gneiss users can communicate with each other. The platform also features its own marketplace. It's a full-fledged exchange where you can trade a wide variety of tokens and even list your own assets for others to buy. One thing I'd like to highlight is the simple interface. There's nothing unnecessary, so even beginners can quickly understand how everything works. And don't forget, you can always access Gneiss through the link in the description below. If you're interested in exploring the platform more deeply, make sure to check it out and see what it has to offer. So that's a quick overview of what Gneiss is all about. And honestly, we've just scratched the surface. If you're looking for a truly decentralized experience without the usual limitations, this platform is definitely worth checking out. Let me know in the comments what you think about Gneiss and whether you see it as the future of peer-to-peer trading. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest blockchain innovations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.